Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best point-and-shoot cameras. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 point-and-shoot cameras, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 Instant Camera. There's just something special about a camera spitting out an image and the wait for it to appear seemingly magically. The best instant cameras are easy to use and result in attractive prints, which is true of the Instax Mini 11. The Instax Mini 11 features a fixed 60mm lens with an f/12.7 aperture that focuses from 11.8 inches to infinity. Or, you can turn the lens to selfie mode for a close focusing range of 11.8 to 19.7 inches. And there is a built-in flash, which is ideal for indoor shooting. It is a little slick to hold but comes with a lanyard to prevent drips. I recently let my nieces and nephews, all under 12, use the Instax Mini 11, and seeing how excited they were was a blast. They all wanted to keep taking photos despite the limited quantity of film I had and ran around showing the rest of the family what they captured. Number 2. OM System Olympus TG6 Black Underwater Camera. This point-and-shoot camera can go pretty much anywhere. It's waterproof down to 50 feet without a separate case. It's totally dust-proof, so it won't suffer if you take it to the beach or deep in the desert. Plus, it's crush-proof up to 220 pounds, so you can sit on it by accident and still go shooting later in the day. Most compacts can't stand up to that kind of abuse. Toughness isn't worth much if the camera isn't very good. This compact offers a relatively small sensor, but it has a versatile 4x zoom lens that will cover most common scenarios on your adventures. And if you fall in love with the camera, Olympus offers a ton of different accessories like action camera mounts and underwater lights to go with it. Are you looking for something cheaper but still waterproof? We've got you. Number 3. Sony ZV-1 Digital Camera for Content Creators. The Sony RX107 is an awesome little camera. Despite the tiny body, it's packed with a large, 1-inch sensor, resulting in excellent image quality for the category. It also has the best autofocus of any point-and-shoot camera, meaning you'll get more images in focus even when working with moving subjects. This compact camera offers a 24 to 200mm equivalent lens, which is a versatile zoom range. And it is capable of 4K video, making this a well-rounded camera suitable for just about everyone. The only downside is the price. It is quite expensive for a point-and-shoot. But it offers a lot of quality and high-end features in a tiny package, so we think it's worth the price. Get great sound in one take with a forward directional onboard mic and detachable windscreen. Standard 3.5mm mic. Jack and Mishu allow for more audio possibilities. Number 4. Ricoh GR Fix, Black, Digital Compact Camera. Ricoh's GR Fix is a fantastic pick for street photography, largely thanks to its compact design. It is pocketable, so you can easily keep it on you when out and about. And it won't draw much attention when you take it out to snap a photo. It also has slick all-black styling and an easy-to-hold design, even when shooting with one hand. This discreet look is furthered by the lack of a zoom lens. It uses a fixed 40mm focal length, 35mm equivalent, so you won't lose the compact size when taking photos. The GR Fix image quality is excellent, partly thanks to the relatively large sensor. Images are sharp all the way to the edges, even when shooting wide open at f/2.8. And it produces vibrant, attractive colors. Interested in learning more? Check out our full review of the GR Fix on Popular Photography. Number 5. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III Digital 4K Vlogging Camera. The 1-inch sensor is larger than what you'll find in a typical compact camera. This translates into better low-light shooting, even when not using the built-in flash. The sensor has built-in autofocus pixels that help track objects for sharp shots even when your subject is moving. The 4.2x optical zoom lets shooters capture more distant objects without sacrificing image quality, and the 3-inch tilting LCD screen allows for shots from creative angles. Finally, RAW photo capture provides extra flexibility for travel photographers who want to perfect images with photo editing software once they return from their trip. It's a great camera for beginners and more experienced shooters alike. Turn your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam. Learn more. Canon. Livestream. Use the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software, Mac and Windows, to turn your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam, or do the same using a clean HDMI output. 20.1 megapixel 1.0 stacked CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.